Hi there, Fox 6 Chief Meteorologist J.P. Dice. It's 8:31. I want to check in with you with a video forecast here. You can see the temperatures. They are cooling off quite a bit, down to 28 in Haleyville. I think the temperatures will eventually, area-wide, get down to 30 to 32 degrees, depending on your location. It will probably make it down to about 30 in Birmingham for that overnight low. It is now down to 32 degrees here on Red Mountain. And you can see a little bit of precipitation out there, and back out to the west, we're seeing a lot of this breakup, and the reason for that, some drier air is moving in from the north. There's our freezing line, so I do expect temperatures to certainly get below freezing. The question is, how much of this precipitation is going to be around through the evening hours? A lot of it, I want to emphasize, will break up. Not all of it, though, so that means some scattered slick spots. This means also, I can't tell you this road or this particular location, there's definitely going to be slick areas. What I can tell you, elevated roadways, bridges, overpasses, that's where we really kind of need to pay close attention. And back out to the west, you can see that transition where it goes from rain into some snowfall. I want to take you through the forecast model data. 5:30 in the morning. We will likely see some wintry precipitation now transitioning south of Interstate 20. The good news is this is not going to be an all-day event. As we get toward noon, or even mid-morning, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, temperatures will be above freezing. We'll be in the lower 40s tomorrow, maybe even the mid-40s in some locations, and perhaps just a bit of clearing. In the near term, we're going to be looking at our greatest threat for icing and black ice and those sorts of things west of Interstate 65 and really north of Interstate 22 there. Now watch this. As we head into tomorrow morning, that threat is going to shift farther south and more toward the east. So portions of Shelby County, including Highway 280, will be perhaps an issue early tomorrow morning. Notice that still only goes to 9 a.m., so we will see the situation improving some. Here's what we're watching. Of course, overnight slick spots, the worst toward the northwest, morning black ice, Wednesday snowfall, 3 to 5 inches possible. Look at this computer forecast model. We fast forward to Wednesday afternoon around 2 o'clock, and you can see what the model's showing there. That snowfall, the highest potential is going to be north of Interstate 20, and I will include that I-20 corridor as kind of a sweet spot northward for accumulating snowfall. And then as we get into Wednesday night, the snow should start to disappear, and then by Thursday we warm up. Here's what we're tracking. There's the upper level low. That's what's going to zip across our area. In the weather world, we always say upper level low is a weatherman's woe. There's always a little bit of a surprise under an upper level low. Sometimes these things really, if they intensify enough, generate their own cold air and drop those temperatures quite a bit. So we could see a pretty good amount of snowfall on Wednesday. I've got the time period here from about 10 a.m. through Wednesday night. That highest impact, at least right now, I think is going to be areas east of Interstate 65. What am I thinking for accumulations? At this point, a little too early to say. I don't think we're talking about a dusting here. No, we're talking about at least several inches of snowfall. Some areas could see upwards of 6. I think on average, probably 3 to 5 inches of snow. Tonight's forecast, 30 degrees, slick spots possible, north winds at 5 to 10. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, we'll see highs in the lower 40s. So continue to watch the weather. If you want to guarantee yourself no travel issues, stay off the roads tonight through about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Stay close to weather information. Accumulating snowfall with travel issues likely on Wednesday. It's a fluid situation, lots of changes. You know how these winter weather events are in Alabama. We know a lot, and there's also a lot that we don't know. We know we're watching something significant on Wednesday. Where that flake of snow is really going to accumulate, don't have real specifics on that just yet, but as we see more model data come in, I will have a better handle on it, and I will share that information with you. Make sure you check us out on Fox 6 News. We'll see you later.